Today, I'll walk you through how to refresh all Power BI reports, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to refresh your reports so you can keep your data up to date and make informed decisions. Let's start by opening Power BI. This is your gateway to all the powerful features that this tool offers. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and launch the application now. It might take a moment to load, so don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Once you have Power BI open, navigate to the Home tab. This is where you'll find most of the essential features you'll need for your reporting tasks. Think of the Home tab as the control center of your Power BI experience. Everything you need is just a click away. Next, we will go to the Queries section. This is where all your data queries are managed. If you think of your data as ingredients in a recipe, the Queries section is where you prepare those ingredients before cooking up your reports. Now it's time to click Refresh. By doing this, you will update all your data queries at once. This is similar to hitting the refresh button on your web browser to get the latest version of a web page. Once you click Refresh, give it a moment to process. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. And there you have it. You've successfully refreshed all your Power BI reports. This simple action ensures that your reports reflect the most current data, allowing you to make timely and informed decisions. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.